Hi guys, it's Luscious Lisha once again, and I have my niece Toria and Aaliyah here today. And what we're going to make today is some delightful donuts. Yay! Okay, so you get a can of these Grand Biscuits. You need some pecans, you need some marshmallows, Oreo cookies, you need some cinnamon and sugar, jimmies, and 2 different types of icing, or whatever you prefer for your toppings. So guys, what you would do is you would take one of the biscuits that you have and you pull the center out and you go around like this until you form the shape of a donut, like so. Alright guys, what we have here now is the pan halfway full with your oil. You can use vegetable oil, canola oil, any type of oil you would like to use. So you take your donuts and you drop them in very carefully. You set them down like that. And you make sure there's space between them, like so. And you gotta watch them because they cook really fast. So we're going to do 4 donuts, and we're going to wait for them to cook. Okay? You know, we'll say about 5 minutes, and they should be ready. Okay, just like so. Nice golden brown homemade donuts from Grand Biscuits. Yay! And then you take them out so we can drain them. So you put them on the napkin like so. They're going to be good. Trust me. They're delicious. Alrighty then. Those on there like so. Niece, you want to put a few more in?
Sure.
Okay. Okay, here we go again. We have some more donuts that we're taking out. Ooh, those are not ready yet. This one looks pretty good. We'll take that one out. How about this guy here? Oh, just wonderful. Golden brown. Now, I'm going to show you how to put your glaze on and decorate your donuts. Me and Tori is going to show you how. Right, niece? Let's go. Alright, I'm going to use the vanilla. You just dip like so.
And I'll do some chocolate.
And then you take a few jimmies and you sprinkle on top like so. Need a few jimmies?
Yep.
Okay, let's give you some jimmies too. And you can sprinkle it on half, or you can put it on the whole donut. It's up to you how you would like it. Alrighty then, that's how you do those. Okay, let's try some more, guys. Alright, now I'm going to take this donut here. I'm going to dip it again. This time we're going to use Oreos. How does that sound? Yummy, right guys? So you just spoon them on there like that. Oh, so good. Ooh, oh, the whole family's going to really enjoy these. Add cinnamon and sugar. All right.
Some frosting.
Looks very good.
A little bit of cinnamon and sugar.
Okay.
And then I think I'll do some pecans on top.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Oh my. Ooh, can't wait to eat that. All right, now I'm going to try chocolate. Here we go, guys. I got the chocolate, and I think I'm going to use some marshmallows on mine. Here we go. These marshmallows here. The kids will just enjoy these. Oh, just look at that. That's just heaven. So much sweetness and goodies. Oh, goodness. Just can't wait. Alrighty then. And there you are. Homemade, delightful donuts from Biscuits. Yay!